colors. I'm colors. This morning we're going to do a Dollar Tree plaque hack. I haven't done one of these in a long time, and I saw this sign at Dollar Tree and I decided that we had to do a plaque hack on him for St. Patrick's Day. So this is what he looks like. I've got him hung here. He's a hanging leprechaun. Take him off here. This is how he looks. It's really cute, really inexpensive to make, and something that you'd want to give as gifts or maybe even having craft shows. So I'll show you how easy it is to make him and how little supplies and everything, mostly everything comes from Dollar Tree. So I'll be right back and we'll get started. So what you want to do is get to the Dollar Tree and get this sign here. This sign or plaque, whatever you want to call it. This is this year's. They've had this out a few years and they changed the bows on it. This year they have the bow in this like aqua color. And you want to get yourself at least one of these, if not several, to do these for gifts and craft shows or whatever ideas you might have for them. They're really easy to make. So you want to get the signs. You want to have a little bit of polyester fiber fill. You want to get a package of those shamrock picks from Dollar Tree. We're just going to use one of them. For each one you make, you'll use one. And then the wood balls, we're going to use one 1.5 inch wood ball and two 1 inch wood balls. And we're going to paint them with this Tester's craft paint. It's a sunflower color. It's just an acrylic paint you can pick up any brand you want. I use the one made by Rust-Oleum called Tester's. And then you can use the fan brush to apply the paint. Just put the wood balls on your paint stick with your glue gun, little glue on there, and glue them on there so that you can paint them. And then I put about 2 or 3 coats of the paint on them, and then I spray them with my hairspray to get that shine on there. But if you use a fan brush, it's the easiest brush to use to do that. And then you're going to use a little bit of this sequin ribbon from Dollar Tree, some of this orange paper ribbon that I got on Amazon. I get several colors in a package on Amazon, the paper ribbon, and I'm going to use this orange ribbon, one of the few things that's not from Dollar Tree on here. We're going to use some of the Dollar Tree gold coins for St. Patrick's Day. The St. Patrick's Day pots from Dollar Tree comes in a package of 5. We're going to use one of those. And then the googly eyes come in a package like this from Crafter's Square on Dollar Tree. And we're going to use the largest eyes in there. They're 0.9 inches. It's the size of them. And we're going to use 2 of those out of that package of the googly eyes. And then we're going to use a 1.5 by 3.5 inch piece of orange fur. And I measure on the back, on this canvas on the back is what we're measuring. Not how long the hair is, but the canvas. So we get 1.5 by 3.5. And then we're going to use this piece of black felt. It's 2 inches by 3 inches. And some glue gun, a glue gun and some glue sticks and some hairspray, and that's all we're going to use. So I'll get this stuff out of my way and we'll get started. So where we're going to start is we're going to take the sign and we're going to glue down the sign on the sign. We're going to glue that down to show the 3 stripes coming up. So we're going to glue it on the 4th stripe right there. So it gives it kind of a 3D effect, I thought. So we'll glue that right on there like that. And I'll let that set up. We've got those set up down here. The next thing we want to do is to flip it over And we have this little section here below the hat. And we want to take our black felt, our 2" by 3" piece of black felt, and we're going to glue it right in this space right here. So just kind of eyeball it and put the glue right there, and then the glue up here. That should do. Maybe able to flip that. See how that gives you kind of a little workspace in there where we're going to put the beard and mustache. So I'm going to let that set up a little bit. And we're going to go ahead and put on the mustache and beard right in there. Let me take the tape off this. Just put your glue right across the top. Put it right up to the hat, like that. And then you can lift it and glue a little bit more underneath right there. Can you see what I'm doing, I hope? I'm still trying to maintain the shape of the beard. I'm going to put a little bit of hairspray here at the bottom to keep it so you can read the word happy on the sign that he's holding. So I'll be right back. The thing that we want to do, you can see where we are here, is we're going to put the nose, the 1.5" wood ball that's painted in the sunflower acrylic. We're going to pop it off the stir stick where we painted it, and we're going to glue it right to the middle here of the mustache that I made, right here underneath the brim of the hat. Right there. I'm going to hold that for a minute, and then I'm going to be back with you and we'll do the hands. So next we're going to pop off the hands. Put our glue on there and just go to where that little clover is in the middle of the sign on the sides right here, and go on the edge. It's like his hands are coming around the edge holding the sign. So put them on the edge like that. And I'll give those a moment. So we've got everything glued on here. We want to go ahead and put the googly eyes on. And so we're going to take and put some glue on the back. And we're going to put them a little bit onto the brim of the hat, close to the nose, like that. Get the other one on there. This brings them to life, doesn't it? There, we'll let those set up. And then while those are setting up, let's make the pot of gold that he's going to be carrying. We want to put some polyester fiber fill in one of these little pots and take some of the coins. We want to reserve 3 coins for the other side of what he's going to be holding. But we're going to use 5 coins in the top of the pot. So you just want to put some glue on there. And lay it down in the pot and keep doing that until it's all covered in coins. Glue these down a little bit to secure it. So that's how you do your pot of gold, and we'll be attaching that with the handle. And also we'll be attaching the shamrock, and we need to make a little green bow that'll be underneath the hand over here. And we need to make a couple things. So we'll make a little green bow with this sequin ribbon that I got at Dollar Tree. Got that. And then we'll need a little orange bow with this paper ribbon that I got on Amazon. It's very inexpensive. And it's good to have in all the different colors it comes in, because you can use it in lots of different projects. I think it's $7.99. We're going to break this off a little shorter, right about there. We'll score it with the scissors a little bit. And break it off like that. That's how long we're going to use. And I'll be right back with you, get this stuff put on. I want to make the little piece of ribbon that he's holding over in his left hand. We'll cut it about that long. And put these gold coins on it. Pick them up quick so they don't get glue on my table. So anyways, we got all the pieces now ready to go ahead and glue on. And we're gonna take and put his little pot of gold on first. That just wraps around his hand right here. And it just goes right on there really easily, and it stays really good. I really don't even know if I would need any glue, but I'll put some glue on it. Right there. Hold that there. And then on the other side, we want to take the shamrock pick and put that next to his hand. I'll hold that for a minute. And then take the orange little bow that we just made. We'll put that right on the shamrock there. Like that. And then below his left hand here, we put the coins that we just made. He's just got coins everywhere. He's lucky. And then the last thing we want to do is go ahead and put his little green sequin bow right underneath his left hand at the top of the strip of coins. We'll put that right there. And that's all there is to making him. That's why it would be such a great idea to give him as a gift or to do him for craft shows. It would be a great idea for many things. Mr. Lucky Charmer. So I thank you for coming and watching this video this morning. If you like the video, make sure to like. And if you want to see more videos like this, make sure to subscribe. And I want to say a special hello to our very special family in Utah.